Welcome to an oven cake and cookies. Today I'm sharing soft fluffy cinnamon rolls made at home without an oven. Warm cinnamon aroma, buttery layers, and a perfect treat for any time of the day. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 170 ml warm water, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well. Yeast helps create soft fluffy layers. Keep aside for 5 minutes to activate. Now add 1½ cup flour, 2 tablespoons butter, and half teaspoon salt. Mix well and knead into a soft dough. Cinnamon rolls originated in Northern Europe. Rub some oil on the dough. Keep aside for 1 hour. In another bowl, mix 1/4 cup softened butter, 3/4 cup brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder. Brown sugar gives cinnamon rolls their caramel flavor. Keep this filling aside. Allow enough resting time for soft rolls. Take the rested dough and roll it out evenly. Spread the brown sugar cinnamon mixture on top. Spread filling evenly for uniform sweetness. Cut into strips. Roll each piece to form cinnamon rolls. Grease a 7-inch mold with oil and place the rolls inside. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar when used in moderation. Homemade baking avoids preservative. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook the rolls for 15 to 18 minutes on medium-low heat. Freshly baked cinnamon rolls smell better than any bakery treat. Cool slightly before serving. Control butter makes it lighter than store-bought rolls. Freshly made rolls are more satisfying in smaller portion. Your homemade cinnamon rolls are soft, aromatic, and perfectly baked. Enjoy them warm with tea, coffee, or milk. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more homemade bakery favorites.